Welcome to this tutorial on how to see the Greeks in Thinkorswim. Understanding the Greeks is essential for options trading as they provide insight into how different factors affect the price of options. In this video, we will walk through the steps to access and interpret the Greeks for your options trades. First, open your Thinkorswim platform and navigate to the Trade tab. Once you are in the Trade section, type in the ticker symbol of the stock for which you want to analyze options. This will bring up the options chain for that particular stock. Make sure to select the expiration date you are interested in to see the options available for that time frame. Now, locate the columns that display the Greeks. By default, you should see columns for delta, gamma, theta, vega, and rho. If these columns are not visible, you can customize the layout. Click on the gear icon located next to the header of the options chain and select Customize. From there, add the Greeks to your options chain view and save your changes. This will allow you to analyze how the Greeks are impacting the options you are interested in. Finally, let's briefly go over what these Greeks mean. Delta indicates how much the option price is expected to move based on a 1-point change in the underlying asset. Gamma measures the rate of change of delta with respect to changes in the underlying price. Theta gives you an idea of how much time decay will impact your option price as expiration approaches. Vega assesses the volatility of the underlying asset and its effect on option pricing, while Rho represents the sensitivity of the option price relative to changes in interest rates. Understanding these will help you make more informed trading decisions. Thank you for watching, and be sure to practice analyzing the Greeks in your own Thinkorswim account.